Good morning! So for today's video, we're gonna make a sushi bake. So it's been months since we last had a sushi, so we've been craving for some sushi. So this is the perfect timing to do it. So let's go and make some sushi. Now all of the ingredients are ready. This is the crab, mayonnaise, and sour mixture. And this is the remaining mayo. And this one is the roasted seaweed. This is the furikake seasoning. The rice. And we're ready to assemble. I'm making a sushi bake.
Yes.
Oh my god!
What?
The seasoning.
Saan?
Okay, that's an error. I need to put the seasoning first.
Mommy, and Daddy.
Yes, sir.
I love you more. Pansit. It's so good. Yeah. Napakalaming ano eh.
Come here.
Okay, you guys, the baked sushi turned out so good. My husband and I really loved it. And I think if you guys don't want to go out and get some sushi, and then just make some baked sushi, and it's really easy to make, and it's really good. And also, I think the key ingredient there was the rice seasoning. I bought the salmon flavor, so yeah, it's really good. And also, I may have gone a little over the top for the crab. I could have used less of the crab, but it's still good. I love crab, so yeah. Yeah, I think it's 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. And also, the recipe that I use, I will link it down below if you guys want to make it or check it out. It's really easy to make, and it's really good. And it really satisfies your cravings. So yeah, it's time for me to work out to burn those sushi that I had. So I see you on my next video. Bye!